Hello Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate kayo. Thank you. So, tignan natin kung ano yung mga messages ni Sagittarius. We have the Ace of Swords. This is victory energy, Sagittarius. Magtatagumpay ka. There is a victory that is coming your way. At kung ano man yan, na mapagtatagumpayan mo, that is something na talagang siguro nahirapan ka dyan, na problema ka dyan. Pero, look at that. Diba? Mapagtatagumpayan mo na siya. You'll be able to find the solution to that. Magkakaroon ng clarity, ng linaw ang inyong isipan. There will be siguro epiphanies that is coming your way na there could be light bulb moment as well, no? Na talagang biglang merong papasok na idea sa isip mo at yun pala ang makakasolve sa problema mo, diba? Kaya you are going to claim this victory. You are going to be successful sa kung ano man ang bagay na ito. Okay? And maaari, no, na natulungan ka din ng advice ni King of Cups, no? Because King of Cups is someone na very compassionate, very friendly, very emotional, very balance, no? Balansyado yung pagkatao nito. Very emotionally matured, napaka-compassionate niya, napakagaling mag-advise, no? Punong-puno to ng puso, have a good heart, at maaring sa kaguluhan ito sa isip ninyo, namomroblema kayo about something, maybe si King of Cups yung nakatulong sa'yo, or po pwedeng siya ang makakatulong sa'yo. You know, maybe you're going to approach someone na katulad ni King of Cups, at maaring siya yung makakapagbigay sa'yo ng advice, na siya namang gagabay talaga sa'yo of what you need to do in order for you to claim this success, no, na naghihintay sa'yo. So, good luck. And the Fool, no? This is new beginning energy. Si Ace of Swords din, new beginning energy. Kasi nga, you will be coming out of this problem, you're coming out of this challenge, a challenging situation in your life. So, pagkatapos niyan, no, magsisimula kayo ng bagong buhay. You're going to be led towards a new path in your life at magsisimula kayo ng bagong yugto sa buhay mo na with the full energy, maaaring this is something na this is not your cup of tea. This is not what you are comfortable with. Maaaring kung ano man nasisimulan mong bagong ganap dito sa buhay, hindi ka komportable dito, maaaring hindi mo pa to nagawa, hindi mo pa naranasan, hindi mo pa na-experience, you know, but you are definitely going to start whatever that is, you know, sa ngayon. Kasi maaring sa tulong din ni King of Cups, you know, maaring siya ay nagpapalakas or nagpalakas ng inyong kalooban para maano ka, para ma-encourage ka, you know, na it's about time na for you to come out of your comfort zone. So, gawin mo na to habang ang mga oportunidad ay nandito sa'yo. So, what else? We have accept and receive, no? This could be help, no, from other people. This could be tulong para sa'yo. Maaring merong mag-o-offer sa'yo ng tulong. So, this is an invitation para sa'yo na sige, tanggapin mo na. 'Di ba? Kasi, ganun talaga. Give and take tayo, hindi ba? Meron tayong, pagkakataon na tayo ang tumutulong, tayo nagbibigay. Meron din tayong pagkakataon na tayo din naman ang magre-receive ng tulong ng iba. 'Di ba? O regalo ng iba. So, what does your soul say? Ayan. So, maybe, kailangan mo din na mag-isip-isip, magmuni-muni, at kailangan mo din na kausapin, tap into your soul, talk to your soul, no? Tignan mo kung ano masasabi niya, tignan mo kung ano yung gusto ng soul mo, diba? So, maybe this is the perfect time as well for you to do some kind of reflection, introspection, and contemplation, okay? So that you can tap into your soul. Shift the way to new potential. Ayan. So, maaaring sa pagmumuni-muni ninyo, pag ninilay-nilay ninyo, maaaring magkaroon kayo dyan talaga ng mga epiphanies, no? Magkaroon kayo dyan ng mga bagong idea. Magkakaroon kayo ng mga, light bulb moment, no, na magli-lead sa'yo towards a different path, no, sa buhay. At ito na nga, diba? We have the Fool. So, talagang maaaring makikita mo ngayon yung mas ma-appreciate maaring mas ma-appreciate mo ngayon yung bagong potential, no, that is presenting itself to you. Okay? So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.